For your help, I place all the product links in the description.
If you're tired of spending half your prep time slicing meat by hand, let me show you the machine that saved me hours every week and might do the same for you. If you work with meat often, at home or in a small business, you already know how draining manual slicing can be. I've done bulk prep myself, and the first time I tried this 750-watt electric meat slicer, the speed shocked me. With the ability to process up to 1,100 pounds of meat per hour, it immediately took the pressure off my workflow. When I tested it with beef and pork, the cut stayed clean and consistent, which really helps when you want even cooking and professional-looking results. The slicer is built with stainless steel, the same material used in commercial kitchens for durability and hygiene. One thing I personally appreciated was the detachable external blade. I've worked with slicers that were a nightmare to clean, but this one removes easily, making maintenance fast. The 1/8 inch or 3 millimeter slice thickness stayed uniform every time I used it, which matched what I'm used to seeing in restaurant prep setups. Safety is a big deal when handling sharp blades, and this machine includes features you usually see in professional equipment. The heightened feeding port keeps your hands safely away from the blade, and the emergency stop switch gives you full control if you need to stop instantly. These elements follow standard food prep practices, which adds peace of mind during use. I also liked how easy it was to move. With 4 caster wheels and a brake lock, I rolled it from my prep table to storage without lifting anything heavy. Once locked in place, it stayed stable even when slicing larger batches. The slicer doesn't just handle simple cuts. You can prepare slices, strips, or minced pieces depending on your recipe. During a week of testing for meal prep, it noticeably reduced my work time because the motor never slowed down and the blade stayed consistent. Why it works so well? Speeds up large batches instantly, delivers consistent slice thickness, blade detaches for quick cleaning, moves easily with caster wheels, safety features match common kitchen standards, handles multiple meat types without struggle. If you're cooking for your family or running a busy kitchen, this slicer can help you work faster with far less effort. Once you try it, you'll feel the difference in speed, control, and overall workflow, just like I did.